if you want to use Call Translator on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then once you are on a call, you might be able to find the Call Assist option. So in this case, we can tap on this button and then we have the Voice Translate option. So we can tap on it and then we can choose the language of the other person that we are talking to. So let's say they speak German, so we're gonna choose a German language, we can press done, and now over here we can of course see our language and the language of the other person. Now over here we can also see that our speech is being transcribed, and of course once we end our sentence, then our speech will be translated to that other person. What is quite interesting and maybe even scary a little bit is that usually your phone will use your voice in addition to that. So they pretty much like quickly take a sample of your voice and then they use your voice to as if you are speaking the language of that other person. So quite scary, but also quite I would say quite impressive as well. So yeah, if you want to end the translation, then you should be able to tap on this arrow over here in the top left corner. And in case you don't have the Call Assist option, what you can do is you can open the phone app. Now in the home menu, we can tap on these three lines in the top left corner and open settings. And in here, you might be able to find voice translate option, and you want to make sure that this feature is enabled. This takes also a short while to download the voice translate feature, but once you have it, you should be able to go back to the call and you should be able to find the Call Assist option. Keep in mind that unfortunately this feature is not available in every region or in every country. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.